Food Friday, we are doing mini banana muffins. So let's get cooking. Okay, so the first step is we're gonna butter our little mini muffin pan and get your cinnamon and sugar mixture. I just put mine in another kind of mixture that we can just shake it on. So mix that together. And I'm not using keto style sugar because every time I try with these banana muffins, it turns out wrong and I hate it. So these are just gonna be regular. Okay, let's get started. Grab your napkin, dip it in the butter, and coat all the little pans. Don't worry, I won't make you sit through all this. But then we're gonna shake the cinnamon and sugar all throughout, make sure all the edges are coated. Okay. It calls for 3 medium bananas or 2 large. We're gonna mash this up into this little bowl. Okay, you need half a cup of butter softened, 2 eggs, the bananas we just mashed, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, a half cup of buttermilk or half and half, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, we're gonna mix that together and then we're gonna add the flour and baking soda. It's going to be 2 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I also like to add a dash of nutmeg at this point and a little bit of that cinnamon sugar mix. If you want chocolate chips, you can totally add those too. You're gonna set your oven at 350 and then you're gonna start spooning in the batter into these prepped muffin tins. Okay, so this ended up making me about 52 mini muffins, and we're gonna coat the tops of them with the cinnamon and sugar mix. And if you're making this into a loaf instead, it will be an hour time to cook. These ones are about 20 minutes. I'll let you know for sure. I usually just go by smell, to be honest with you. Okay, now we're gonna pop those in the oven and let them cook. I did decide to do it in a loaf. It makes 1 loaf. If you want 2, just double it. All right, they look delicious, and it was just about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. If your oven cooks higher than mine, then just do 15. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.